Hello children, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about tangents and secant to a circle, one of the most important theorems. Prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Length of the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So suppose this is a circle with center O. This is an external point. We call it as P. So length of the tangents drawn from external point. As we know that we can draw two tangents to a circle from an external point. So this is our first tangent. Suppose we call it as PA, and this is our second tangent. This is our second tangent. We call it as PB. Okay, we need to prove that PA equal to PB, right? Given a circle with center O, right? What is OA? As OA is radius. And what is OB? OB is also radius. What you do? Let us join O to P. We need to prove that. What we need to prove? We need to prove that PA equal to PB. Here, according to theorem, lengths of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. I mean, the length of tangent P to A, what about the length of the tangent PA and PB? They must be equal. Suppose length of tangent PA is 8 cm, then the length of tangent PB also must be equal to 8 cm only. That is our concept. Right? Now, let us prove why they are equal. Now what we will do, we will consider two triangles. The triangles are triangle AOP and second triangle is triangle BOP. So this is one triangle and this is another triangle. We have two triangles, right? In these two triangles, we know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. As OA is our radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Next also OB is our radius and BP is our tangent. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. If we consider two triangles OAP and OBP, in which OA equal to OA equal to OB, they are ready. They are equal to the circle. The second one, angle OAP equal to angle OBP, each 90 degrees, and side OP equal to OP, which is common side, as OP is common to both the triangles, right? So by right angle hypotenuse RHS criteria, I can say that triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. If two triangles are congruent, by corresponding parts of corresponding triangle, by CPCT, I can say that AP equal to BP. Hence, proved. Once again I am explaining. We are considering two triangles. One triangle is AOP and second triangle is, OAP is one triangle, OBP is second triangle. We know that OA equal to OB because they both are radius to a circle. And the second one is angle OAP is 90 degrees, also OBP is also 90 degrees. And third one is OP equal to OP, common side to both the triangle OAP and OBP. So by RHS criteria, I can say that triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. If two triangles are congruent by CPCT, corresponding parts of corresponding triangle, I can say that AP equal to BP. So they are the tangents drawn from external point to a circle, and also they are equal. Hence we proved. Is it clear, children? Which is one of the most important theorem in tangents and secant to a circle. We can also call it as theorem 9.2. Okay, children? Thank you.